Good day, ma'am. Good day, sir. My name is Buboy F. Jacor, 20 years old. I live in Magsaysay, Talibon, Bohol. I am recent graduate with a degree in Bachelor of Science and Information System. During my studies, I gained experience in database management, programming, and infrastructures. I'm excited about the opportunity to work at your company because of your focus on cutting edge technology and innovations. One of my strengths is problem solving. For example, during my final year project, I designed a data management system that improved data retrieval times by 25%. I'm also proficient in programming languages such as Java, Python, and SQL, which I believe will help me in developing efficient solutions. I am still referring my communication skills, especially when explaining technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders. I bring a solid foundations information systems with practical experience in systems analysis, database management, and programming. In 5 years, I see myself in position where I can lead project and contribute to the strategic decisions about IT infrastructures. I'm also interested in pursuing certification in cloud computing and cybersecurity to broaden my skills set. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.